Morning everybody. I thought I would show you all what I invented. I thought of the idea as well of making a Amityville evil lamp REM pod. So I put the idea to Pro Paratech, who made up the image and put it all together. So I gave him the idea, and this is what it is. Let me just show you. I'll just turn you around. Here he is. If anyone has watched the Amityville 1989 movie, there's an evil demon lamp in this movie that comes alive and is demonic. So yeah, I thought of the idea of making a REM pod with its evil face, as you can see here, if you can see his face, as a REM pod. So this was my idea, and someone else has put it all together, which is absolutely amazing, as you can see. I've also got another 2 ideas also that's coming out shortly, so keep checking back with me and I will show you what else I have got in mind. This is just one of them. So I'm going to test him out now and see if anything comes near. He's got an aerial here at the back here, which pulls up. It can go quite high. It can move to where you want it. So it can move over to the left or to the right, whichever side you want to put it on. I'll leave it about here. If anything goes near, the speakers here at the back, the echo will come out. The batteries are kept underneath here. It's just a slidey thing to put the battery in. Easy peasy. And that's it. A switch here to turn them on. I'm going to do this now. It's better at night time because it's more spookier, because his face and arms all light up. So I'm going to put them here now and see if anything paranormal appears in my kitchen. If anything does appear, his head here, his arms either side and his neck will all light up and flash. So if I touch it, that's what happens. So I'm going to put a couple of REM pods either side to get the paranormal activity up. I'll put this one here. And perhaps I'll put another one here. Let's see. Which is nowhere near the aerial. Okay. Let's see if I can go a bit closer with that one. Maybe swap him round. This one's more sturdy. I'll put this one here. Okay. And there we have it. It's a bit of fun for Halloween. It's a bit of fun if you're into the paranormal like I am. If you want to try them out, go to Pro Paratech on eBay. He's selling these lamps, devil lamps, for I think it's $59.95, which is an absolute bargain. It's something different. It's very rare. It's a rare piece to have. So if you want one, go to Pro Paratech on eBay. Let's see if I get anything in my kitchen. Calling out to any spirits, calling out to any entities, angels, astro beings. Please, can you come forward? Come and touch one of my devices over here on my table. Give me a sign. You are here, please. Give it a few minutes. Yeah, I've also got another couple of ideas up my sleeve, and they are being made right now, and I will also show you them once they've all been put together. I can't wait for my next one out. Hello, is there anyone here? Any spirits? Please give me a sign. Usually my kitchen is quite active. Edith Wood, are you here? Can you give me a sign, please, Edith, if you are here? Calling out to Edith Wood. Are you here? I'm going to keep working with my evil lamp. If you've not seen the film, go on YouTube. It's called The Amityville, The Evil Escapes, The Demon Lamp. The Lamp of Supreme Evil, which is, oh, thank you, hello, which is a tree-like lamp with arms. It's called The Evil Escapes, 1989 movie. Is there someone here right now? Can you touch? Thank you, and good morning. Am I talking to you, Edith? Is this you? Please give me another sign. Thank you and good morning. Are you on your own? Or do you have other company around you? Yes. Thank you. Is there more than one spirit then? Are there several spirits here? Please give me another sign. Can you touch? Well, thank you and good morning. That was amazing. Can you touch the aerial behind and touch my REM pod, please? Thank you and good morning. Wow. Do you see what I mean, people, about my kitchen being active? That's amazing. Thank you, Spirit. OMG. Can you touch my aerial sticking up? If you touch it, it will light up and flash, just like the other REM pods. Can you do that, Edith? Can you touch my REM pod and make that little tree lamp light up? Please. That's amazing what you've done so far. Thank you, my friend. Can you show me a spirit light going past? Thank you. Wow, did we all see that? That was lovely. Thank you, Edith. That was beautiful. Can you do that again? Show me another spirit light behind and I will be able to see you. Please. Thank you. I see spirits with my own eyes. A lot of people don't have that gift, but unfortunately I do have the gift. Yes, and so does my daughter. So it's never frightened me. I find it really fascinating that spirits definitely exist in the paranormal world, and at the end of the day they were human like us, and it's their way of letting us know that they are definitely around. Thank you, Spirit. That was lovely. Is there anyone else here who would like to jump in and give me another sign? Show me another spirit light. Touch my REM pod. If anyone would like to try and touch the REM pod, touch the aerial sticking up and it will light up also, like a Christmas tree fairy light. Are you still here, Edith Wood? Can you give me another sign if I'm still talking to you, Edith? Thank you. You're a lovely lady. Can you show me another light going past, please? Thank you. I know you're there. I can see you. I actually see spirits in a silver outline, I see them quite clearly going past, especially in my kitchen, but I do see them with my own eyes. Can you show me a ball of light going past my lamp? If you can do that, that would be amazing, thank you. Thank you, and thank you for talking to me and communicating with me. I don't mean you any harm, as long as you know that. Right, people, stay tuned for my other 2 new devices that are coming out shortly. I will give you a heads up when they are out and made by Pro Paratech. Don't forget to check out his other items on eBay. He's got other devices on there, musical boxes, other REM pods. He's got Halloween REM pods. He's got all sorts. So take a look, check out his page, and thank you, Spirit, for showing yourself to me. That was totally amazing. And I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Thank you to Edith for showing us that she is here. Edith, can you wave us goodbye and give me one more sign, please, that you're here? Thank you, and there we have it. I rest my case. People tell me I make this stuff up, but I definitely don't. I see it with my own eyes. Thank you, Edith. God bless. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.